before I got into photography, I had this surfing accident where I fell out from the lip at about 6 to 8 foot onto a shallow reef, and it just slammed me so hard into a cave and I dislocated my elbow. The recovery time from that little mishap was probably a good 6 months, so someone suggested for rehabilitation purposes just get back in the water as soon as possible and just start swimming. I thought, why don't I just take a camera out and capture a few of the things that I'm seeing while I'm swimming, and that's sort of when I was hooked. It's a hard feeling to describe really when I'm just a little speck in the ocean. Only really just scratched the surface in what I've explored, and sometimes I feel like I'm the only person in the world when I'm in those moments. Some days can be huge and angry, and some days can be peaceful and calm, and it doesn't matter. It's all good and all beautiful, and I love it. I can sit and just look through that viewfinder for half an hour, even more, until the right wave and the light and everything all comes together, and I'll just push that trigger and I'll look at the photo straight after and yeah, that's the one, that's just beautiful. I'm not going out there or anything to prove anything. I just love to capture what I see and to share that moment or experience or whatever it may be. It's not like an obsession, but it kind of is like an obsession. Like with this one particular spot, I've probably dedicated a good 3 years to this particular area, and I still haven't got the image that's in my mind. It's the scariest place on earth, really. It's alive with sea life, and it's dangerous, it's shallow, the rocks are sharp. There's only a small little area where I feel safe. If I'm out of that zone, well, things can go pretty pear-shaped. The water's black and eerie. I'm standing down on the bottom of the ledge thinking, you know, why are you doing this? Like, why are you down 35 metres on this ledge with no phone reception, hundreds of kilometres away from civilization, just out amongst the elements? It's hard to describe, but it's me, it's what I do. It's how I get my kicks. It's the best feeling in the world, swimming in the ocean in these particular areas. Wherever I look along the way, I just see beauty and magic, and I make mental notes to get back to these little special areas for next time. If only I could live for 1,000 years to be able to find the time to get to all these areas.